So hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you have ever seen those photos on social media where the lighting just looks cinematic? Like a golden hour glow that wraps perfectly around the subject, or a cool moody blue that sets a whole vibe. So that's often the work of a color lens. This feature is one of FaceApp's most powerful yet overlooked creative tools. What it actually does: each overlays specific color tones and light effects onto basically your photo, completely transforming the mood of the image. According to the official app features, the color lens is designed to give you total control of light and color in your portrait. What you're gonna do to access it: navigate to the color lens section, open your photo, look at the bottom toolbar for the color lens option. You might also find it under the creative light effects or effects menu. Then you can easily select a light effect. The color lens menu offers a variety of lighting scenarios. You will see options like neon for vibrant futuristic tones, golden hour for warm sunsets, as we all know, and green screen for cinematic, basically tones whatsoever. Choose the one that best matches the mood you are going for. Adjust the intensity with the slider. This is the most important step. Don't just accept the default intensity, use the slider, usually at the bottom, to dial the effect way down, around 30%, 15%. Then a subtle application of a color lens looks like natural. Flash and light a heavy application looks like a cheap IG filter from 2014. So that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.